As you can tell, there's a tremendous amount of activity going on today for your benefit, and you're going to be involved in lots of different activities. I'd like to give us some kind of a filter that we could look at during this day. And I've come up with the 4 C's, like ABC, the 4 C's of DeMatha that I believe you're going to witness today during this 2011 open house. The first C that I'd like you to be aware of as you're going through the day is the commitment that you will experience from our faculty and staff. In the main building of the school, the top floor, there is an entire wall showing us teachers who have been here at DeMatha 20 years or more. To remain in one institution for 20 years or more than 20 years is a significant statement about the commitment that the men and women of DeMatha's faculty and staff have towards the excellence of our school. You will discover that in conversations with them. We have acknowledged that by this wall of fame for all those connected with why they are at DeMatha, and your son will be exposed to those teachers and the many alumni who have returned to be part of the faculty. They saw DeMatha from one side of the desk, and now they're back at DeMatha on the other side of the desk. In all your discussions today and meeting teachers and faculty, think of that first C that I believe is very obvious for our tradition. So commitment is the first C. The second C that I'd like you to think about throughout the day is how caring our faculty and staff are. Without a doubt, they are academically prepared and have all the credentials to be in a classroom or in the office. But what I notice most, and I hope you notice, is kind of the unstructured contact that our faculty and staff have. The smiling, students seeking out teachers. As we know, in any educational process, the school day does not end with the last bell. It's those after-school moments, the moderating clubs, activities, meeting faculty on the campus. You see that caring atmosphere that you are willing to share your son with these men and women who are not only committed, but they also care about your son or family member. Caring. The third C is that we challenge the young men of DeMatha. Wherever they are when they enter our school in the 9th grade or they are transferring in as later, we believe we will take where they are and challenge them to become more and more and more in every area that's important, not only for education, but that's important for life. Challenging them to become that gentleman and scholar that you want them to be, that our society desperately needs, and that we believe we have been able to achieve. So we have commitment, caring, and challenge. And the last C, I think I really speak more to the 7th and 8th grade students that are here. The last C that I have identified is it takes a lot of courage to be a man of DeMatha. You're going to be working very hard next year if you are here. You're going to be having homework. Some of your buddies may be going to another school. I say, what are you wasting all your time? Let's go out, let's do this. It takes courage for anyone to say, I believe this is the place that's going to make me the man that I want to be when I graduate. So I hope you will experience what many of us have identified here at DeMatha, the commitment, the caring, the challenge, and the courage that we believe is a significant part of the DeMatha tradition.